Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video we will learn that how to draw a polygon in AutoCAD. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So in order to draw a polygon, so before going to draw a polygon, so first you understand that what is meant by polygon. Basically a polygon is a closed figure having a different number of sides. Depending on the requirements, you can draw a polygon of your desired sides. So if you know the sides of polygon and the radius of the circle, so you can draw a polygon in AutoCAD easily. So let's start to draw a polygon. That how to use the command and tools to draw a polygon in AutoCAD. So first you will click here in this. Here there is two options, one is the rectangle and one is the polygon. So in the polygon option tools, there are two types. One is the inscribe and the other one is circumscribe. So we will when we click on the polygon, so you can see in the command line it is required to enter the number of sides for the polygon. So let me enter as 6 is to be the number of sides and then enter. Now it's required to specify the center of polygon. So now arbitrarily we will select this point as the center. Now in the command line you can see it requires to select either you are interested to draw polygon which should be inscribed or it should be circumscribed. So we are interested to draw polygon which is inscribed. So you will click here. Now you can see that a polygon with a text center and inscribed. Now in the command line you can see it's required to specify the radius of the circle. So arbitrarily we want to click here is the radius. So now you can see the polygon has been created. So now we will try the circumscribe option to draw polygon. So we will again click on the polygon option. Now you can see in the command line it's required to specify the number of sides. So we want to enter as 8, and then you can see in the command line it's required to specify the center. So we will click here as to the center. Now it's required to select either it is inscribed or circumscribed. So we are interested to draw a circumscribe. So we will click here. Now you can see that here is a polygon is going to draw, but it requires a final command that to specify the radius of the circle. So by arbitrary we will click here as to be the radius. Now you can see the polygon has been created. So this was all about that how to draw a polygon in AutoCAD using the option using the inputs of the number of sides, center of the polygon, and either it should be inscribed or circumscribed, and then we'll finally select the radius. So now if you have any question you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.